With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question here is that in a dorsiventral leaf, the location of the palisade tissue and the phloem is respectively on the blank and blank surfaces. Whether it is adaxial and abaxial, the adaxial and adaxial, abaxial and adaxial, and abaxial and abaxial. So here in the question they are asking about a dorsiventral leaf, right? So the condition here is given is that the leaf is dorsiventral leaf, right? And when we talk about a dorsiventral leaf, then what we see, we have in this the epidermis, right? And this epidermis, when we talk about the epidermis, when we talk about the palisade and the phloem tissues, what we see, we have the upper and lower epidermis. We have one upper epidermis, second we have one lower epidermis, then the upper epidermis, what we see here, that below this, below the upper epidermis, below it is the presence of what is present below this? It is the palisade parenchyma. Right? Palisade parenchyma is present here. Right? Now, this lower epidermis, when we talk about the lower epidermis, so above this lower epidermis, above the lower epidermis, above this is the presence of, what? The spongy parenchyma. So the spongy parenchyma is present above the lower epidermis and the palisade parenchyma is present below the upper epidermis. So this is the spongy parenchyma, right? The spongy parenchyma, right? So when we talk about the palisade parenchyma, this is 2 to 3 layered, right? This is 2 to 3 layered. This tissue is 2 to 3 layered, and this is compactly arranged in the tubular cells, right? With the this is 2 to 3 layered with the compactly arranged tubular cells, right? Which are rich in the parietal chloroplast, right? Then the spongy parenchyma, when we talk about the spongy parenchyma, these cells, though they are very loosely arranged, this is compactly arranged. This is compactly arranged. And this is loosely arranged. The spongy parenchyma is loosely arranged, right? This is loosely arranged, and some of the, basically this is having the, this enclosed the air spaces, some of which they open into the stomata, right? So when we talk about the terms adaxial and abaxial, what we see, adaxial means, when we talk about the term adaxial and abaxial, the adaxial means the surface, that is upper surface of the leaf. Upper surface. And the adaxial means the lower surface. Upper surface of what? Leaf. And the abaxial means the, it means the lower surface of the leaf. Lower surface of leaf, right? The upper and the lower surface of the leaf. Now what we see, that when we come to a condition of this palisade parenchyma, right? So this is present where? This is present on the upper surface of the leaf, as it is present below the upper epidermis. And when we talk about, right, So what we see that when we talk about this the palisade parenchyma, when we talk about this, the location of the palisade tissue, then the palisade tissue is present on the upper surface of leaf. So here what we see, there is the presence of what? The palisade parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma. And when we talk about this abaxial surface, then what we see, that the lower epidermis, it contains the spongy parenchyma, and here what we see, that the spongy parenchyma, it is present in the abaxial surface. Spongy parenchyma. So the correct answer is, when we talk about the palisade parenchyma and the spongy parenchyma, the correct answer is the adaxial and abaxial. Adaxial and abaxial. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.